This is where we left off in the last video, where we moved our covers across row 1, across the elements in row 1, covering them up, then across row 2, and then across row 3. And we saw that we got the same thing for the determinants. The question now is, would we get the same determinant if we expand down the columns? Let's see. Now, we're not going to interfere with this determinant, but let's write it up here to make more space. So, we found that the determinant here was AEI minus AFH minus BDI plus BFG plus CDH minus CEG. So this F, write it. All right, so this was the determinant that we got for all rows that we went across. AEI minus AFH minus BDI plus BFG plus CDH minus CEG. Now, let's just erase some of what we have here. We had some working down here. Let's erase them too. All right. Now, let's put our cover, vertical cover, onto column 1. And we're covering A here. We're going to go down column 1 and see what happens. So we're going down column 1. A is covered. Now, what we did earlier, right, was called a minor. When we were writing the 2x2 matrices multiplied by the elements, that was called a minor, M-I-N-O-R. But anyway, let's continue. This is A. And then we have uncovered elements E, F, H, I. And A is a plus. Then we go down the column, cover D. D is a minus, so I have minus D. Uncovered elements B, C, H, I. Then we go down to we go down to the next row, and we're keeping column 1 because we are expanding down column 1, expanding the matrix down column 1. So we have G here, and G is a plus G. Uncovered elements B, C, E, F. All right. So all of this is called a minor. All right. And the sign gives you the cofactor. Plus, minus, plus. So the cofactor of A is plus, D is minus, G is plus. All right. Now, here we have A, and the determinant of EFGI is EI minus FH minus D. We have BI minus CH and plus G. We have BF minus CE. Let's multiply out. We have AEI minus AFH minus BDI plus CDH plus BFG minus CEG. All right. Now let's compare to that we have up here. Oh, we see the AEI. So we have AEI, good. The AEI is taken care of. Minus, oh, they're already in order. AFH minus BDI plus, then we have a BFH, a CDH, and a CEG. Good. So we have the same thing. The same determinant. This was the determinant when we expanded across row 1. And this is the same determinant when we expand down column 1. Suppose we expand column 2. What would that? Down column 2. What would that? Let's see. And I said down. You could expand from bottom to top as well, but we're going down. Down column 2. So we put our cover up here. Go across to column 2 and go down. Now, what we have here is B, D, F, G, I, and B is a minus. Then we go down to E, plus E, ACGI, ACGI. Then we go down. Are we expanding downwards? We cover H, and H is minus H, and the elements here are A, C, D, F. So what we have here is minus B, D, I, minus F, G, plus E, A, I, minus C, G, minus H, A, F, minus C, D. So now, we multiply out the brackets. Negative BDI plus BFG plus AEI minus CEG minus AFH plus CDH. All right, let's compare it with what we have up here. We see AEI. Is there an AEI? Yes, AEI. So you have an AEI. Okay. Minus AFH. Do we have one down here? Minus AFH. Here it is. Minus AFH. Then we have a minus BDI. Is there a minus BDI? Yes, here it is. Minus BDI. Then I see a BFG. Is there a BFG? Right. This is a BFG plus BFG. Then a CDH. Is there a CDH? Yeah, right at the end here. Plus CDH. Then we have minus CEG, and then here's a minus CEG, minus CEG. Alright, so we got the same determinant when we expanded down column 2. Let's expand down column 3 and see if that would also be the case. Alright, so we expanded down column 3. So what we do, we cover column 3 and we start up here, we're covering C. So we have C times uncovered elements D, E, G, H. Alright, C is positive, it's in the corresponding position here. Then when we go down and cover F, F will be negative, so it's minus F times AB, oh no, it's F times AB, uncovered elements AB, GH, GH, good. Then we go down to I, which is positive. So plus I, and that is time A, B, E, D, E, A, B, D, E. A, B, D, E. Alright, so what we have here as the determinant is C times DH minus EG minus F times AH minus BG plus I times AE minus BD. Good. So there we have that. Now, let's multiply out. We have CDH minus CEG minus AFH plus BFG plus AEI minus BDI. Alright. Now compare it with what we have up here. There's an AE, we see an AEI, we see the AEI here. So we have an AEI, then on minus AFH, let's see, minus AFH, and minus AFH, good. Minus BDI, there's a minus BDI at the end here. So we have a minus BDI. Then BFG, is there one? Positive BFG, good. Plus BFG plus CDH. Yes, CDH right here. Plus CDH. Then we have a minus CEG right here, minus CEG. So you see, we get the same determinant, right? Same determinant by covering the row 1 and then going across, covering column 1, column 2, column 3, that's going across row 1, or doing the same thing for row 2. We cover across row 2, or we cover row 3 and then go across row 3. Same thing if we cover column 1 and row 1 and then go down, covering the elements in column 1, or we cover column 2 vertically and then go down column 2, or cover column 3 vertically and then we go down column 3. Same determinant that we get. Alright? So I will see you in the next video.